भाई जगह कितनी कमाल है यार, जबरदस्त। मतलब क्या कमाल है यार ये जगह। Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we are heading from Leh to Nubra Valley, which is about a 4-hour drive. But we're going to stop at some viewpoints since we will be passing through Khardung La Pass. Once claimed to be the world's highest motorable pass at an elevation of 17,582 feet, it's now been surpassed by Umling La. Also, just a heads up, you need an inner line permit to visit Khardungla and as well as other restricted areas in Ladakh. Khardungla serves as a vital road connecting Leh with Nubra and Shok valleys. और views absolutely surreal. But remember guys, यहाँ पे oxygen level is about 50% lower than the sea level. So you really feel the altitude. Proper acclimatization is essential. So make sure कि आप few days Leh में पहले spend करें to let your body adjust and avoid altitude sickness. And no doubt, as you can see, the roads were absolutely beautiful. And that's why we ended up stopping at several points along the way just to soak in these incredible landscapes. Anyway, our next stop was the Diskit Monastery. This monastery is the oldest and largest monastery in Nubra Valley, founded back in the 14th century. For centuries, it has been a major center for religious teachings and Buddhist studies in Ladakh. But let me be real with you. The real showstopper here is the 32-meter tall Maitreya Buddha statue, which symbolizes hope, protection, and world peace. This was inaugurated by the Dalai Lama in 2010. Since this place is located on top of a hill, it offers breathtaking panoramic views of the Shok River and the surrounding barren mountain ranges. And if you are visiting in February, don't miss the festival of the Scapegoat, जहाँ पे monks perform करते हैं masked chant dances to drive away evil spirits. It's a unique and colorful experience. Alrighty, now that we have reached Nubra, we are heading to one of the most surprising and magical places in Ladakh, Hundar. Because seriously, where else would you find sand dunes, camels, and a cold desert all at over 10,000 feet above sea level? I mean, it's almost hard to believe that a desert like this can exist at such a high altitude. So Hundar is famous for its white sand dunes, और इसका backdrop snow-capped mountains. It's called a cold desert because while it's dry and sandy like Rajasthan, the temperature here can dip below freezing, especially at night. And bro, get this. Hundar is the only place in India where you can see and ride the double-humped Bactrian camel, which originally come from Central Asia. So here you can go for a camel ride, walk around and explore the sand dunes, or even try out some ATV rides. There's something for everyone. But honestly, one of the best things to do here, just nothing. Simply disconnect. It's incredibly peaceful, quiet, and the surreal landscapes make it feel like you're in another world. So now Vaibhav has a new hobby, archery. Let's see. Wow, ब्लैक तक तो पहुंच ही गए.
कहाँ लगा? अरे तो लग गया भाई. चल इस पे अच्छा है यार. बढ़िया बढ़िया.
मेरे तो दोनों शॉट्स वाइट पे गए हैं भाई. अब वैभव का देखते हैं फिर से, बिकॉज ही इज नॉट अ गुड शूटर आई गेस. अब हम जाएंगे ATV ट्राई करेंगे. Okay, honestly guys, the ATV ride was so much fun. Like seriously, totally worth it. I actually forgot to bring my phone along, but luckily the guides managed to click a few pictures in the middle of the ride. भाई जगह कितनी कमाल है यार, जबरदस्त. मतलब मजा आ गया। क्या कमाल है यार ये जगह। ऐसी स्ट्रैंडेड सी प्लेस में पाया गया एक इंसान रील देखता हुआ, क्योंकि सिर्फ यही जगह है जहाँ 5G नेटवर्क आ रहा है समहाउ। इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 6:30 और अब थोड़ी बहुत ठंड होनी शुरू हो गई है। सो नाउ फाइनली वी आर सेइंग गुड बाय टू दिस ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस एंड मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।